Welcome to Digital Adhyapak.
And as you can see, the question on the board is, if n is an odd integer, then show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Let us understand the question very clearly. We have to take n in the expression of odd integer and we have to show that that expression minus 1 is divisible by 8, that is in the form of 8n. Now students, if we talk about odd integers, you all know that the form can be 2q plus 1, or if we take 4 as the divisor, then the form can be 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Now, obviously, if we take 2q plus 1, our question will become very short. We will solve the question in one case only. But if we take 2q plus 1 as the form of odd integer, then students, can we take 8 common out of this when we square it? The answer is no. Because if we square 2, we will get 4 and we cannot take 8 common out of this. So students, we have to take the second case, that is we have to take the divisor as 4 and our form will be 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. So students, we will write let A be a odd positive integer and 4 be the divisor. So if 4 is the divisor, then obviously there are two forms for an odd number. So therefore, or I should say according to EDL, as A is an odd number, so according to EDL, A will either be equal to 4q plus 1 or it will be equal to 4q plus 3. Now students, in both the cases I have to show that n square minus 1 is in the form 8m. Let us start. So we will start with case 1. Case 1, when A is equal to 4q plus 1. So, sorry, it's not A, I should write that n because it is written n in the question. So make it n every case. So n is equal to 4q plus 1. So this implies n square is equal to 4q plus 1 whole square. This implies n square minus 1 is equal to 4q plus 1 whole square minus 1. Let us check what happens. N square minus 1 is equal to 4q plus 1 whole square, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square and plus 2ab. This is the formula that we are going to use here. So a plus b whole square, that is 4q plus 1 whole square, is equal to 16q square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 4q into 1, and that is 8q plus 1 and this minus 1. So this minus 1 comes and this 1 and 1 is cancelled out. Now we are left with 16q square plus 8q. We will take 8 common out of this. It will become 2q square plus q. So we can write it as 8m, where m is equal to 2q square plus q and m belongs to integers. Now we have got the first one in the form 8m, so it is divisible by 8. Second form, again we have to take case 2, and in case 2 we have n is equal to 4q plus 3. So we have to find out n square minus 1, that is 4q plus 3 whole square minus 1. So again, if we use the a plus b whole square formula, it becomes 16q square plus 2ab, 2 into 4 into 3, and that is 24q, and plus square of 3 is 9 minus 1. So this implies n square minus 1 is equal to 16q square plus 24q plus 9 minus 1 is 8. So obviously we can write it as is equal to, if we take 8 common, it becomes q square 2q square plus 3q plus 1. So it is in the form 8m, where m is equal to, as you can see very clearly, 2q square plus 3q plus 1. So again we have got the form of n square minus 1 is 8m. So we can conclude, so we can say that if n is an odd positive integer, as we have seen that n is an odd positive integer of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, then as we have seen, when we have calculated n square minus 1, it is always in the form 8m. So you can write n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Thank you.